Wisdomania, Siddharth has joined. Let I introduce Siddharth. How he is suffering from a back pain. His spinal cord has damaged L4 and L5. Now he has been suffering tremendous amount of pain, but he is recuperating slowly by physiotherapy, by medicine, and after the diagnosis by doctor. Still he is half fit, 50% fit, 50% unfit. But give him a round of applause because he has come. He came to the session in spite of his tremendous back pain. He came, he will with us whatever he can afford to. After that he will go to physiotherapy. So that's a very good sign. That spirit we should not never defeat.
It's a habit of Siddharth.
I told you. We should not. He has win over his psychology. कोई अगर दूसरा लड़का होता अभी सो रहा था. But he loved Wisdomania because he understands the value of Wisdomania. I shared his teacher about Wisdomania yesterday. He is one of chemistry physics teacher. He also want to join with us. Kaushik. He told I want to join with you. So good pupils, sensible pupils, they will understand the value of this Wisdomania's platform. Okay, so we will make a company to make understand what is the objective of to make Wisdomania as a company. Can you tell me?
Company. Objective to
See, company name is Wisdomania. I am creating hierarchy. Okay? Company will be led by board of directors, BOD. This is BOD, board of directors. I think I will explain what is board of director any company. Board of director का
रोल क्या है?
रोल क्या है? After board of director it is CEO or chairman or director. किसी कंपनी में चेयरमैन डायरेक्टर होता है, उसका नीचे सीईओ रहता है, किसी में सीईओ होता है, और इसमें सीईओ ही लिखो. सीईओ मतलब चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर, हेड ऑफ द ऑपरेशन, हेड ऑफ द कंपनी. सीईओ का अंडर में डिपार्टमेंट रहता है. इज अ पैरेलल सीटीओ,
टेक्निकल ऑफिसर,
चीफ टेक्निकल ऑफिसर, चीफ
फाइनेंशियल ऑफिसर,
सीएफओ, चीफ फाइनेंशियल ऑफिसर, सीएमओ, चीफ मार्केटिंग ऑफिसर. मार्केटिंग का हेड, मार्केटिंग ऑफिसर. और क्या क्या डिपार्टमेंट रहता है? सीएचओ, चीफ एचआर ऑफिसर. एक कंपनी में क्या क्या डिपार्टमेंट रहता है? मार्केटिंग टीम रहता है.
व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ एचआर ऑफिसर?
मार्केटिंग रहता है, एचआर रहता है,
research and development.
आरएनडी, चीफ आरओ, रिसर्च एंड आरएनडीओ. एक कंपनी चलाने का, बड़ा कंपनी, इट्स अ लार्ज स्केल कंपनी. छोटा कंपनी में नहीं होता है उतना. छोटा कंपनी इज अ फैमिली बेस्ड कंपनी मैनेजमेंट. तुम एक दुकान एसएमई में नहीं होता है. दिस इज नॉट ऑल एसएमईज. एसएमईज मतलब स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेस. एमएसएमईज, स्मॉल मीडियम स्मॉल micro enterprises. This is a one sector. If I come to in details, business has a two part. Enter business. One is organized sector and one is unorganized. What are organized? What everything are organized, and unorganized are not everything organized. SMEs comes under unorganized sector. And big companies like Reliance, Tata, all are organized. Small outlets, their turnover 5 crores to 10 crores. That is the definition you should know.
Yes sir.
SMEs को किसको बोलता है? There are 3 type of organization: large scale, medium scale, small scale. SMEs आता है small scale of organization में. There are large scale organization. Why it is large scale? Based on turnover.
Because वो ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहा है.
इन्वेस्टमेंट ज़्यादा है, उसका प्रॉफिट ज़्यादा है, वो लार्ज स्केल इन्वेस्टर है. रिलायंस, टाटा,
एयरटेल,
अदानी, एयरटेल,
मारुति सुजुकी, many cars company.
they are large scale organization. Medium scale भी ऐसा है, but most of the company follow the hierarchy. details one day. But this is called entire organization follow. But SMEs don't follow. क्योंकि SMEs में जो चेयरमैन होता है, ओनर, चेयरमैन को ओनर बोलता है, वही सब कुछ हैंडल करता है। तुम्हारा एक दुकान है,
क्योंकि वो तो ज्यादा कुछ काम नहीं है ना वहाँ पे।
तुम्हारा yes, because you don't understand, you can easily. Why organized structure required to be set up if the scale of business is big?
बिकॉज उसका वहाँ इन्वेस्टमेंट कम है, सामान भी कम है, सामान ज्यादा बिकेगा नहीं।
Big, beautiful. I will explain it in detail. So now these are different. Wait. Now CTO है और कुछ डिपार्टमेंट होता है? Is there any? There are 8-9 department, 8 functions of management actually. According to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 3 functions is there.
Maintenance.
Maintenance comes under ITO. Chief Maintenance Officer. अच्छा. Chief Maintenance Officer. Okay. Anything else?
Liaison officer.
Corporate communication that comes under HR actually. Many people they don't divide. They put it HR as part of HR comes under corporate communication. Liaison officer. What else?
Business officer.
Business officer is not. CXO है. नया term है CXO. CEO को अभी CXO बोला जाता है.
Why?
Chief Executive Officer. E का बदले में X बोल जाता है. He is the head of the company. Now let's listen to that. The hierarchy. Every department under them there is a channel that is called.
सर अगर CXO ठीक से कंपनी को नहीं चला पाया तो कंपनी लॉस में चला जाएगा।
हाँ. The board of directors are responsible. The board of directors will sack. So now under that there are department heads and the functional heads. They will. This is the organization structure.
Yes.
Now CEO is the main person who runs the company. जैसे Google का CEO है सुंदर पिचाई. He is running, but he is a salaried person. But Google का जो founder है, he is Brin, Sergey Brin and Larry Page.
बट वो तो बस इन्वेस्ट करके उसमें छोड़ दिया।
नहीं, छोड़ नहीं दिया. They are very much there, like the Bill Gates. Very much there. They are very much into that. They have invested. This is their company. They are the owner. But main is looked after by CEO. CEO is responsible for company's profit and loss or entire responsibility. Now CEO किसको report करता है? Who is reporting to CEO? CEO will report to board of directors chairman. And chairman is an independent person here. Actually CEO is directly responsible to board of directors. I will explain slowly the functions and the hierarchy structure of board of directors.
Yes sir.
But what I want to say, we want to convert our wisdom area into that hierarchy.
Yes sir.
What is the reason? Can you explain one by one reason?
What sir? Tell me again.
I want to make Wisdomania as a company, Wisdomania Private Limited.
उतना तक समझ में आ गया, बाद में लास्ट क्या बोले?
Why? Why I want to make this structure?
Brand. Money.
Because
Why we are creating the hierarchy Wisdomania?
Money.
Not money. We are not a profitable. Oh, more important part I forget to tell you. There are
Accounting.
two type of company in the world. Company दो तरफ का होता है. Can you tell me what are two type of company?
Profit oriented, non profit oriented.
हाँ.
Commercial company who are profit oriented. Their objective of business is to get profit.
And non-commercial.
And there is non-commercial oriented company. Give an example.
Non-commercial.
Like private
Government
car.
companies.
Huh?
Like private car. Is
No,
not
government
non-commercial.
companies. Government companies.
Government companies also. PSU. Public sector units. NGO.
NGO.
You know NGO?
Yes sir.
Non-governmental organization.
Yesterday you said.
NGO. ये लोग social work करता है. They are also a company.
वो प्रॉफिट के लिए नहीं.
But they don't work for. They work for the society. So Siddhartha has told one right thing. Government also work for the public. That's why government पे loss होता है. तो government don't shut down.
वो सरकारी
जैसे राइफल फैक्ट्री को राइफल प्रोडक्शन करता है, वहां पर लॉस भी होगा
तो
तो चलाएगा,
वो गवर्नमेंट उसको ठीक कर देगा।
गवर्नमेंट इन्वेस्ट करेगा फिर से। Are you getting my point? So we want to make a company why? We want to make a hierarchy wisdom in here. Why?
To earn money.
Huh?
To earn money.
We are not a profitable company. We don't go for profit. We are kind of a non-profitable company. So why we want to set up these things?
To spread our idea to the world.
उसको ठीक से चलाने के लिए।
Spread our idea to the world.
One thing none of us rightly told. The objective number 1. This is our hierarchy. This is our organizational hierarchy. So objective number 1 is. Objective number 1 is
उसको ठीक से हैंडल करने के लिए इतना
operational efficiency. Operational efficiency. Good. Second,
Second, leadership.
फॉलो अप विद ये रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन।
Leadership.
leadership. It's a leadership model that we want to establish. Third,
Brand. To spread our brand. Strengthen our brand.
ना उसके लिए तो एडवर्टाइजमेंट करना।
no, also advertisement is part of CM, Chief Marketing Officer. Branding. Another,
To execute our mission and mission.
vision. Okay. What we left most important is
Finance.
finance. So part of that, part of leadership. If you can handle your finance well, you can be a good leader tomorrow.
Social work. Social work.
Social work part of O. There is another department I forgot what it told. CSR department. Every company. Corporate social
रिस्पांस।
responsibility. Very important. I have done my MPhil research on CSR. CSR, every company, as I will explain you later. These are all things which I have been telling will be taught in your graduation commerce, business and commerce subject. If you do graduation and if you do MBA, these are all MBA with
Those who don't do commerce and business.
they will know. In your hospitals also CSR is there. When you go to doctor, you will come up to many NGOs of organization like ITC. ITC will hire doctor to do dental checkup or to do Colgate hire dentist to promote dental checkup. That's part of their CSR. But doctor are involved as an independent entity with that. So major objective of putting hierarchy is to make you learn.
सजेशंस आल्सो सर।
Make you learn about the functions of the job roles, which in your future you are going to adopt. काल रौनक HR में काम करेगा तो you will have a clear idea about HR. काल सिद्धार्थ कोई मार्केटिंग में काम करेगा, सिद्धार्थ will have a completely idea about your role and responsibility of marketing. You will should know. Or I told you Wisdom is a platform to promote entrepreneurial spirit. Tomorrow तुम लोग कोई बड़ा बिजनेसमैन बनोगे, every vision will be clear to you. How to run a company, how to set up the company. Am I right or wrong?
Because of wisdom.
So yes, so that's why we are creating hierarchy. Now, are you getting my point? The main objective of creating this hierarchy, being a non-profitable organization, is to make you learn about job responsibility or KRA of each and every department, key responsible areas. What is called HR? What are the functions of HR? What is called R&D? What are the functions of R&D? What is the job role of a CEO? Why this type of hierarchy is being formed in any organization? And what is called unorganized sector? What is called organized sector? What is called non-profit? We are entering into the business periphery, business operation. This is nothing but a skill enhancement. Am I right?
Yes.
Knowledge enhancement is equal to skill. Here we are developing our knowledge. Today is a knowledge session.
Yes sir.
Knowledge about hierarchy. Once I told you we are a practical learner. Wisdomania is a practical platform where we function as a HR or CFO or CEO.
We follow our
We
resume
will
also.
make understand about our, this is a hands-on experience. What HR is doing in the organization, we will do the same function here. So we will learn the learning from practical things. We are connecting with concept. We are connecting theory into practice by practical things. Like Raja is doing event management. Raja tomorrow will go. If Raja can start a business, you know, there are event management business. You know,
Like big events.
big events
Like
wedding, destination wedding. You know, have you heard destination wedding? Virat Kohli, Anushka Sharma,
in Italy.
Priyanka Chopra. All are big companies are there. Many big companies. They arrange. एक ये decorators होता है ना,
Yes sir.
बड़ा में decorator. They are nothing but the event manager. स्मॉल में होता है, तुम्हारा घर में शादी होगा, तुम किसको बुलाओगे? उसको तो बुलाओगे
वो स्मॉल स्केल में आएगा.
स्मॉल स्केल में. अगर उसको तुम डीजे ले आना चाहते हो, you want to bring Shahrukh Khan, you want to promote 3 days, 4 days,
Big
you want to
scale.
hire a big castle and do, then big scale, large scale.
Large scale.
Clear? So, in our Wisdomania, how we are promoting, Ronak will make a note and send it to the mail, to all and WhatsApp. This highlight. Okay. Now, I am the board of directors who will be your parents. Ronak ka mummy papa, Raja ka mummy papa, Siddharth ka mummy papa. They will be the board of directors. They are not directly involved, but they are within our Wisdomania group. ठीक है? I will call them in a year, 1 day here. हम लोग किए थे. We did it earlier.
Just one time.
हाँ?
One time.
One time. We will do in this year. We will call रौनक का मम्मी को, रौनक का पापा को, राजा का मम्मी को, राजा का पापा को here. 1 day in this year. Okay? If you continue. Board of directors. इसका नीचे CEO है. वो मैं हूँ, शंकर.
To handle this all of the.
I am the operational head. We will change our responsibility also in every 1 year. इसका नीचे,
उससे एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ेगा.
इसका नीचे कौन है? सिद्धार्थ is CFO, Chief Financial Officer. Ronak is
CIO.
CTO.
CTO. हाँ.
CTO and CMO both. अभी हम लोग का आदमी कम है. जब वो लोग आ जाएगा तो I will distribute that department to others. These are I am creating if they come. I have not sent them off. I told them go to sabbatical leave. If you decide upon you can your psychology adjust with our psychology then come.
But more than 1 month is going on.
I am watching them. I don't know whether they come or not. I don't know.
They will not come.
I will say also.
Ah?
They will not come.
They will not come.
They will not come.
Okay.
पूरा announcement.
Better. I have screened them. It's like a Kapil Dev movie. I told you.
उन्होंने तो शायद भागी थी से.
भागी लीजिए दीजिए. If their mind, that means they are not. Their mind is conservative mind.
Their mentality has very.
Conservative, traditional. এখানে যদি আসো ওরা অ্যাডজাস্ট করতে হবে. They cannot adjust with us.
ওরা মনে করে কি স্যার ভাগিয়ে দিচ্ছে ডাক্তার হচ্ছে আমাদের নেবে.
Bas. I made a clear communication to them. Don't discuss these things because we are wasting time. I will discuss. I told you very clearly. Today also I told Ronak and Raja. Raja is making some nuisance with his mother about Wisdomania. Okay, I told categorically Raja and Ronak. I am not forcing you. The same thing applied to you, including Siddharth and me. CTO and CMO. This is Siddharth. This is CTO Ronak. Acha. Another is HR. CHR. Who will take CHR role? Now, as nobody is there, I went for temporary. I am taking CHO role. research and development R&D. Siddharth will take another additional responsibility of R&D of Wisdomania. What will be the I am coming in now R&D? Am I right or wrong? Okay. Raja will be under me as a HR of event management. If we allow Raja from next
As a helper.
not a helper, he is independent as a event manager and liaison officer. But राजा का बारे में हम लोग आज फाइनल डिसीजन ले लेंगे, उसको घुसने देंगे या नहीं देंगे नेक्स्ट दिन से. I am not agree with to give him the entry in Wisdomania. ओके, अगर उसका स्वभाव नहीं बदलता है, ओके, वो मम्मी को जाके गाली देता है हम लोग के पीछे में, we cannot tolerate this. बार-बार रौनक बोल रहा है. He is always telling Ronak that Raja is creating some nonsense.
Is he bad things or?
Yes, we don't want to spoil our image. So R&D, research and development. Anything else? Any department left out? 1, 2, 3, 4. Any? CFO, CTO, CMO, CHO, R&D.
Financial.
Finance I told. Marketing.
Marketing is no.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Maintenance.
Maintenance will come there. R&D. I'll put. Operation. अच्छा. CMO. Sorry. Chief Operating COO. Actually, there is another position can be created as COO, Chief Operating Officer, who will report to CEO. So I will be the Chief Operating Officer for time being. I will look after all the operations of the department and I am the CEO. So I am putting club it together. CEO and CEO will be conducted by me.
It's mean you are the multitasking man.
We are doing multitasking. Very good, excellent. Because we have a lack of people.
Because we are population is very low.
Population not, less people.
Less people.
So we are taking multitasking. One person is taking care of 2 or 3 departments.
If we are group in 10 members, then
That
we
will
should
be
give
good. That will be good.
then
Let
we
them
should-
see whether they will come or not. If they don't come, we will carry. Whosoever new people will
then
come.
we divided our works.
This is why
But
now.
but until this time we multitasking. We are doing
Yes.
multitasking.
Yes. So CFO is Siddharth. Once again, you make a note. You will send these things to me in WhatsApp tomorrow. CTO and CMO. Ronak is Chief Technical Officer and the Siddharth role I am telling you little bit what is the role of anything related to finance or Wisdomania. When we go to visit some place, Siddharth will look after our finance, the expenses part.
How many cost to
What will be the total cost
What
of
will-
the tour? What will be the how we will get the money?
where is
If
passing the
Siddharth
road?
will tell, no, everybody should contribute 100 rupees. So everybody will give 100 rupees to Siddharth.
Then Siddharth will manage all the year.
Suppose I am giving. We are going to. We have a plan to go Vidyasagar house. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar after lockdown gets over.
Yes, sir.
In the month of September, his birthday, 101 years birthday next year.
Yes.
201, sorry. So in that case, Siddharth will collect the money from all,
Yes, sir.
manage. He will make a budget. This is also Siddharth who will responsible